Today we are going to learn about enhancing security in Azure Blob Storage. We will explore practical security measures to protect your data, including access control, encryption, and monitoring strategies.
Welcome to this educational video on enhancing security in Azure Blob Storage. In today's digital age, securing data in the cloud is of utmost importance. Azure Blob Storage is a powerful tool for storing unstructured data, but with this power comes the responsibility to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access and data breaches. This video aims to equip you with the knowledge and skills to implement advanced security measures in Azure Blob Storage. We will cover a range of security features and configurations, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to safeguard your data effectively.
Azure Blob Storage comes equipped with a plethora of security features designed to protect your data. These include built-in capabilities like shared access signatures, SAS, for granting specific access rights, integration with Azure Active Directory, AAD, for secure authentication, and encryption options to protect data both at rest and in transit. Furthermore, Azure provides robust firewall settings and virtual network configurations to ensure that only trusted sources can access your blob storage. Understanding these features is crucial for implementing a secure cloud storage solution. Throughout this video, we'll dive deeper into each of these aspects to help you fortify your Azure Blob Storage. Shared Access Signatures, SAS, are a vital tool in Azure Blob Storage for controlling access to your data. A SAS is a token that grants limited access to your storage resources, specifying permissions such as read, write, and delete. By using SAS, you can provide temporary access to clients without sharing your storage account keys, significantly enhancing security. To create a SAS token, you'll need to define its scope, including the resources it can access and the permissions granted. It's essential to adopt best practices, such as setting short expiry times and using HTTPS to secure the SAS URLs. In this section, we'll walk you through the process of creating and configuring SAS tokens to ensure controlled and secure access to your Azure Blob Storage. Azure Active Directory, AAD, provides a robust framework for authentication and access management in Azure Blob Storage. By integrating AAD, you can leverage centralized identity management, which simplifies access control and enhances security. AAD supports multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security to your cloud resources. To configure AAD for your blob storage, you need to register your application in AAD, assign appropriate permissions, and configure role-based access control, RBAC, to manage user access. Utilizing AAD not only streamlines authentication but also ensures that only verified users can access your data, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Data encryption is a cornerstone of cloud security, safeguarding your data from unauthorized access. In Azure Blob Storage, encryption can be applied both at rest and in transit. Encryption at rest ensures that your data is encrypted when stored, while encryption in transit protects it during transmission. Azure automatically encrypts data at rest using 256-bit ICE encryption, but you can enhance this by using Azure Key Vault to manage your encryption keys. For data in transit, always use HTTPS to secure data transfer. Configuring these encryption settings is crucial for meeting compliance requirements and protecting sensitive information. In this section, we will guide you through setting up encryption in your Azure Blob Storage to ensure your data is always protected.
Firewalls and virtual networks are essential for protecting Azure Blob Storage against unauthorized access. Azure Storage Firewalls allow you to control network access to your storage account by specifying which IP addresses or virtual networks can access it. By default, all networks are denied access, so you must explicitly allow trusted networks. To set up a firewall, navigate to the Azure portal, access your storage account settings, and configure the firewall rules by specifying allowed IP addresses or subnets. Additionally, you can integrate your storage account with virtual networks, ensuring that only resources within those networks can access your blob storage. This layered security approach significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, ensuring that your data remains secure within the Azure environment.
Effective monitoring and logging are crucial for maintaining the security of your Azure Blob Storage. Azure Monitor provides comprehensive tools for tracking access to your storage account, allowing you to set up logs and alerts for any unauthorized or suspicious activity. By enabling logging, you can capture detailed information about every access attempt, including IP addresses, timestamps, and operation types. Azure Monitor allows you to analyze these logs, helping you identify potential security threats and respond promptly. Setting up alerts ensures that you're immediately notified of any unusual access patterns, enabling you to take corrective action before a security breach occurs. This proactive approach to monitoring is essential for maintaining the integrity and security of your Azure Blob Storage.
Role-based access control, RBAC, is a critical component for managing access to Azure Blob Storage. RBAC allows you to assign roles to users, groups, or applications, granting them specific permissions based on their role. This approach ensures that individuals only have the access necessary to perform their tasks, adhering to the principle of least privilege. To configure RBAC, use the Azure portal to define roles and assign them to the appropriate users or groups. Azure provides built-in roles, such as reader, contributor, and owner, But you can also create custom roles tailored to your organization's needs. Implementing RBAC not only simplifies access management but also enhances security by preventing unauthorized users from accessing sensitive data. In this section, we'll explore how to effectively set up and manage RBAC in your Azure Blob Storage environment.
Securing sensitive data in Azure Blob Storage requires a comprehensive approach that incorporates best practices. Regular security audits are essential for identifying vulnerabilities and ensuring that your security measures are effective. Implementing the principle of least privilege access ensures that users only have access to the data they need, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Strong authentication methods, such as multi-factor authentication, add an additional layer of security, making it harder for attackers to compromise accounts. It's also crucial to regularly update your security policies and configurations to adapt to evolving threats. Staying informed about the latest security trends and Azure updates will help you maintain a robust security posture. By following these best practices, you can significantly enhance the security of your Azure Blob Storage and protect your sensitive data.
In conclusion, securing Azure Blob Storage is a multifaceted process that involves implementing various security features and practices. From using shared access signatures and Azure Active Directory for access control to configuring firewalls and enabling encryption, each step plays a crucial role in protecting your data. Proactive security measures, continuous monitoring, and adherence to best practices are essential for mitigating risks and ensuring compliance with industry standards. By staying informed and empowered with the knowledge shared in this video, you are better equipped to safeguard your Azure Blob Storage and protect your organization's sensitive data from potential threats.